This area look upon all of these meat shops. Most of these are the chicken meat shops selling the slaughtered chicken meat. And this area is also known for the bird markets. So I am going to show you the bird market, and this is, it seems, is the old furniture shop, and the king key rickshaws are parked here. This area is known as the, look upon this furniture, and this is the bird market. The bird market, pigeons in all of these cages. This is the pigeon shop, and again here there is another pigeon shop. Look upon this, look upon these, and these are really, this is all the bird market, and again it is a pigeon shop. The pigeon shop, I want to show you certain other things here. This is a bird shop selling the birds of different types. You can see that there are plenty of customers here inside the shop, and this is the bird shop. Now we are moving forward. Being here in this, at this place, it is really quite amusing. And again it's a pigeon shop. The ducks are being kept here.